Well, this is the first film that I've made since the terribly disappointing result of the referendum for myself anyway, and a lot of people in Wales. Things have changed dramatically, of course. Now Wales and the UK will be leaving the European Union. For now, I'm still a Member of Parliament. I carry on with my work in the committees and in the plenary. But of course, we're all talking about the future and what the future holds for us. And how can we make sure that Wales, as a small nation in Europe and in the world, can play a full role? Now, as I say, things are carrying on as normal as can be in Parliament for the moment. Brieg Dafydd has been here from Wales with us, working as a stagiaire since April, so you've seen this whole period and the effect in the Parliament. And what do you feel? How has it been?
Well, first of all, I'd say it's been an amazing experience to be here, to see how the Parliament works and to meet everyone. Most of the people like from Catalonia and the SNP are striving for the same thing as Wales are, really. But at the same time, it's been pretty disappointing with what's happened after the referendum, Brexit, and the political landscape in the UK right now is not very promising.
But for young people in Wales, do you think that we know that young people felt more strongly about staying in the European Union, and is it an opportunity for us now, particularly for young people, to shape a new future for Wales?
It is, yeah. I hope, well, Brexit means Brexit, but I hope that now it'll sort of encourage more people, especially the younger generation within Wales, to really realise that our future is an independent Wales within Europe, and that's the way forward for us. And I hope that people will soon realise that.
So it's, despite the disappointment and despite all the problems that it could cause, this could be an opportunity for us to really establish Wales on an international level.
Yeah, and another encouraging statistic is that 50% of the young Plaid Cymru members, who voted, would actually vote for independence for Wales and the UK right now. And it was at 3%, so even 4 years ago. So it's gone from 3 to 50 in a matter of weeks, really.
So we could have really exciting times ahead.
Yeah, well, fingers crossed, and let's hope it happens.
Good, let's hope so.